Hi, Rick here, Black Rifle. Well, I have a new build today, a 6.5 Grendel. Anderson arm upper, 18-inch barrel with 1 and 8 twist, stainless steel barrel. Palmetto State Armory lower, and a Leatherwood scope that is 4 to 14 or 4 to 16 by 50 scope on it. Nice little round, I'll tell you what. This is something when compared to the 223. It's 123 grain bowtail hollow point and 6.5 Grendel. It's still supersonic at 1,000 yards. So it's going over 1,100 feet per second at 1,000 yards still. It's a real flat shooting cartridge as opposed to the 223. But by no means do I take anything away from the 223. That'd be my favorite go-to weapon of choice. This fills the gap. It's between 308 and 223. A little stronger than the AK-47 7.62 by 39. Has a pretty good knockdown power, real explosive bowtail hollow point, good on deer, coyotes, hogs. Same thing with the 223. And then your two-legged varmints, you know, it'll kill them and make them DRT, dead right there also. Anyway, going over the rifle here, we'll turn the camera around and show you the rifle. This is the rifle. It's my barrel. It's got a weird flash suppressor on it. This is an Alexander Arms barrel, custom-made barrel. 1 and 8 twist, 18 inches long. With the flash suppressor, it's a whole 20 inches. So it's the normal M16A2 length, 20 inches. Real nice thing. Looking forward to going out and zeroing it. This round is something. It's a bad round. So I'm looking forward to doing some hunting and doing some accuracy tests at 1,000 yards with this cartridge. We have a range to shoot at, and I'm going to be mounting a Hi-Lux scope that's a first focal plane scope to the rifle and see how that does, how well it does. We'll try the Hi-Lux on the 7.62 NATO 2, the AR-10, and the 6.5 Creedmoor. Also, we'll test it on that. But as far as big cartridges go, that's the only two I have, 308 and the 6.5 Creedmoor. You don't need anything else. But anyway, it's a real nice sunny day here in South Carolina. Just enjoying the day. Well, I was going to talk about the rifle, and now we'll talk about the rifle case that I just picked up from sportsmansguide.com. 17 bucks, 39-inch case. This holds my AR-15 with 5 magazine pouches, but they'll hold 2 magazines in each pouch, so it holds 10 magazines on the case. Inside, it's a very well padded case. Got a YK zipper, plenty of padding. All of my rifles, my AR-15 platforms, have a case like this. Can't beat it. 17 bucks at sportsmansguide.com. Just a nice little rifle case to go with the AR-15. If you got an AR-15 rifle, you want one of these, I guarantee. this would be my trunk gun case where I carry my AR-15 in my bug out bag and everything in the trunk. So that'd be the way I go with that. Next we have the magazines. These are Mission First magazines. Real nice, well-made polymer magazine. This magazine has been loaded over a year. 30 rounds filled to the top. It still functions like brand new. Same with my my magazines in my other case here. And PMag. This is the Gen 2, PMag Gen 2 in 7.62 by 35 for your blackout people, and 223. So they use both just fine. I've had these loaded for a year also. No problems with them. No failure to feed, no jamming, no nothing. This is the PMag Gen 2 and the Mission First Tactical. It's the only two mags I use. This is a piece of crap. I have some others that are pieces of crap too. Most of them are metal. Why is a metal magazine malfunction when the polymer magazine don't? I don't understand it. You can't keep 10 rounds in this magazine for a year. It just take the bullets and you can shake them out. Not with the PMag and not with the Mission First Tactical mag. They just rocking and rolling, just no problems. Well, what do you think of that 6.5 Grendel? Give me your opinion. Let me know how you think. What kind of optic you ought to think I put on there. I'm getting a Leatherwood to put on there to test. Leatherwood's sending me one of their first focal plane scopes to test. So I'm going to test that out. Like I said, at 1,000 yards on an 8-inch plate. The only thing I don't like about Leatherwood Hi-Lux, they charge you for these scope things, scope covers, the flip-ups. That should come standard on all rifle scopes. You know, the money they get for them, they could afford to have them come standard on the optics. You know, instead of this goofy thing that you look through. It's got a yellow tint on the eyepiece side, and then the objective lens is clear. I guess that's for rain and stuff like that when you're in the rain, but I'd rather have the flip-ups. I guess this is quicker than having to open the flip-up to engage. That would be quicker to engage with, but I don't like it. Just a matter of opinion. Anyway, that's it. I'm gonna put my my little baby to bed. This is my trunk gun, what I call my bug out rifle. It's a Palmetto State Armory 18-inch barrel, 1 1/8 twist, 223, and I just love this little thing. It works great. I have the Sightmark Ultra Shot on here. It's the anniversary edition in chrome. I figured the chrome looked good with the stainless barrel. All my rifles have stainless barrels. Even my 24-inch Anderson upper has a stainless barrel. And I'm going to get another one just like this in a stainless, I think. You can't beat the price for the upper, $159. And this is a tack driver. You've seen it in some of the other videos. But anyway, that's it from South Carolina. I hope you enjoyed it. If you like it, please like and subscribe. Black Rifle, Rick in South Carolina. Y'all have a great day. Bye-bye.